Hey guys, it's Ronnie again, and I don't know if you guys are ready, but I am beyond ready for Christmas. So this is going to be my first wreath of the season, and obviously the new Grinch movie has come out, and I thought it would be a cool idea to do a Grinch inspired wreath. I wanted to do hula hoop wreath this time because it's bigger, and I wanted to print this out and have it on here. I'm going to paste it onto this foam board using Mod Podge with these, and then cut it out with my X-Acto knife. I might need these. And I'm also using glue sticks and my glue gun. I'm not sure if I'm using these. So this is kind of like a Dollar Tree and Goodwill thrift store inspired one, because I got, of course, the foam board from the Dollar Tree. This was from the Goodwill. It was $3. I also got these from the Goodwill, and this was $1.99, and I believe it's about 22 in here. And I usually go to the 99-cent store like everyone else to get my little ornaments, but I couldn't pass up a whole bag of them. And also I have these, which are a different color green. I thought it would be cool to mix them for $1.99 also. I got this from the 99-cent, the Dollar Tree. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them because I was going to use a different picture, and it had the Grinch holding an ornament, and I was going to use this for hanging down. But I don't think I'm going to need it, so I'll save it for a different project. Hey guys, so I would like to clear something up. As you can see, the Grinch was too small. So what I did was I printed the Grinch out on 4 pieces of regular paper out of my printer instead of 2 like I did the smaller one. Thanks so much for watching the video. This is the finished product. I'm sorry that last part got cut off of me doing these little swirlies and gluing them on. I put those all over. It really turned out good. I really enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me. I also tied this up here. Not sure if you can see. I tied it so this, you know, when they open their door, it wouldn't be swinging or anything. And yeah, that's how it looks. I love it. I hope you guys like it also. Thank you so much for watching, and I have more coming up.